How to get desktop websites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to youtube.com. You are now in the YouTube homepage. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the icon as shown. Then, tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. From here, go to the Page Actions section and tap on Request Desktop Website. You will now be taken to the desktop version of YouTube. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily get desktop websites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.